DBrightSquad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title above, today I am filming life hacks using toothpaste, guys. Toothpaste. And some of these hacks will surprise you, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it, so keep watching. Okay, so for this next hack, super easy. You're gonna need some tomatoes, the toothpaste, and just a little bowl, and and a knife. So you're just gonna take your tomatoes, you're gonna open it up. You're gonna just grab maybe 1 or 2 tomatoes. You're just gonna even just poke a hole. Okay? You're gonna put the tomato inside the bowl. So you're gonna take your toothpaste and you're just gonna put some toothpaste in it. Okay? Just creating a paste. Then you're gonna mix it like that, and it's really great for dark spots. Next, you can use your toothpaste on a toothbrush to clean your shoes, and basically it's gonna help it make it a little bit whiter, obviously. Then you take a paper towel, paper tissue with a little bit of warm water, and you just wipe. And voila, your shoes are all nice and white and clean. For this next hack, you guys can see that my phone is very dirty, as you can see. So we're gonna use some toothpaste to clean it all up. Okay? Now you're just gonna spread some of the toothpaste onto your phone. And then you're gonna take a tissue with a little bit of water, and you're just gonna clean it all off. And now it's all cleaned up. And it also helps with cracks. If you had any cracks in your phone, it helps with sealing those cracks. So I have this necklace and it's silver, but it doesn't shine. So if you use your toothpaste and you clean it, like that. See? It already looks shinier.